To obtain your Experian credit report, you have several options. Online request. Visit the Experian website and navigate to the Get My Free Credit Report section. Follow the prompts to request your report online. You may be required to create an account and provide personal information for verification. Phone request. Call Experian's customer service hotline and request your credit report over the phone. Be prepared to provide identifying information such as your name, address, social security number, and possibly additional verification details. Mail request. Download and complete a credit report request form from the Experian website. Mail the form along with copies of required identification documents to the address specified on the form. You will receive your credit report by mail within a few weeks. Annual credit report. Utilize the federally mandated annualcreditreport.com website to access your free credit report from Experian once every 12 months. Follow the instructions on the website to request your report online, by phone or by mail.